Kia ora!
This is Te Reo Te Tari 101.
The ngā, definitely.
Teas is what really kind of really shows the difference. You've got tā te ti
Yeah,
or
that's right.
tu. So it's only the ti and the tu that have that kind of sharp
It's
sound.
like a TSU or a TZU.
Yeah, oh,
It's like a yeah.
Sil. Oh, that's a good one. Tā te ti or tu. And I feel like that's like, other than those T's, because we've got a lot of them, they would be one of my key consonants to focus on.
I agree.
Yeah, I'm going to go for two vowels.
Right.
The A and the U. The O.
Oh,
And it's not an O, it's O.
yeah.
And it gets pronounced as L in
That's
a lot of
right.
other languages.
Tauranga. Right?
And it annoys me.
Right now.
It's kind of like, some people try really, really hard and get half of taupo right. They'll either say taupo
Yeah.
or taupo. And you really want the taupos, and that AU sound gets smashed all over the place.
And you know what the worst one is? Far now. It's literally far no.
Yeah.
No.
No. Not now.
Yeah.
No.
Not now. Far no. Say it now.
Yeah.
From now on.